Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Python in Windows 11. As of now the latest version is 3.13.7. So this version has some advanced features, like when it comes to performance it is much better compared to the older version, especially tackling the heavy workloads. And then when it comes to debugging it is much faster, and then with error messages it is more descriptive compared to the older versions. So now I'm going to first download the Python installer file. So I will go to the Google search bar and I will type download Python for Windows, and then I will go to this official website. So now since I'm using the Windows machine, and I will click download Python. This is the latest version 3.13.7, and this is going to start the download process. So I already have this file in my system, so I'm going to open the installer file, and then I will click customize installation, and then let me just select all. Okay, I don't want this documentation. Okay, fine, click next, and then I'm going to click install Python 3.13 for all users, and then I will select add Python to environment variables. After that I will click install. This is where the Python is going to be installed. This is the version 3.13 install, and click yes. And look, the Python is installing at the moment. You just need to wait until this is done. So the latest version of Python has been installed. Now I will click close, and now I'm going to open the command prompt, and I will run as administrator. And now I will see the Python's version over here in the command prompt. So I will type Python dash dash version, enter. So the latest version has been installed. Now I want to see where the Python is installed. So I will use the command where in Python, and this is going to show me the directories where it has been installed. Look, this is where it has been installed. So I hope you have gone through the process of installing Python in Windows 11. At the end I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.